A pop of color makes a kitchen look modern. This compact kitchen is clad in a gorgeous fresh shade of steel blue with a singular quirky yellow cabinet. The painted exposed brick wall exudes rustic charm, and the clever use of a semi-sheer sliding backsplash makes this fun modern kitchen score high on style. Modern, open concept kitchen design. This kitchen is a lesson in designing an open concept space, from its matte blush cabinets paired with glossy white ones to its sleek cooking island and an open bottle rack. With its mix of open and covered storage cabinets and the lovely character infused by the beautiful mosaic printed backsplash tiles, this kitchen design showcases modernism at its best. Charming mid-century kitchen design. This mid-last century styled kitchen is adorable with its white distressed wood shelves and cabinetry. The dainty latticework door fronts, subway tiled walls, quaint wood-covered stove hood and wrought iron chandelier, reminding one of the 19th century street lamps, make this a unique kitchen, oozing with character. Bold and beautiful modern kitchen. Clean simple lines and no hint of any ornamentation, yet this black and yellow kitchen is bold and striking. There's nothing complicated here, but the juxtaposition of contrasting colors gives this kitchen drama like no other. Hypermodern and uber cool. Compact modern kitchen with elegant details. This pure white kitchen with its raised panel cabinet doors, traditional metallic handles, ornamental hood and marble tiled backsplash is a compact design for a small modern kitchen. The twin hanging metallic light fixtures add a beautiful touch. Mix and match elements in your modern kitchen. This kitchen design incorporates three distinct design elements: the bold backsplash, grainy woodlook laminate cabinets, and more subtle textured grey upper cabinets. The smart use of open shelving and a folding wall-mounted table adds to the functionality of this unique kitchen design. Modern white kitchen with marble countertops. Glossy white cabinets and marble countertops bring light into this slightly dark and moody yet cozy and homely kitchen. Slick bar stools and beautiful natural hued backsplash tie in well with the color palette in this modern kitchen. Modern kitchen design with warm accents. While the white and white concept keeps the lines clean and sleek, the speckled brownish granite countertop and natural stone-colored tiles inject warmth into this beautiful modern kitchen. Sky blue modern kitchen with fun shelves. Modernity dons a pleasant shade of sky blue. With fun hanging shelves, interesting patterned backsplash and no visible hardware, this kitchen design is stylish and lively. Playful kitchen design with chalkboard backsplash. This kitchen has fun accents like the chalkboard backsplash to create your own artsy design on and hanging shelves set against a texture-painted exposed brick wall.
Classic modern style kitchen. The classic modern kitchen style has been around for a while now. Modern refers to things current, and therefore this style is dynamic, continuing to update itself almost every day. The most recent incarnation of classic modern style kitchen refers to traditional aesthetics mixed with modern material and state-of-the-art appliances. Colors typically used in this style of interior design are beige, brown, black, chocolate brown, silver, gray, white, and gray blue. A classic modern kitchen is characteristic of paneled cabinet fronts, natural materials, intricate molding and cobbles, and beautiful lights. Aged houses are often fitted with a traditional kitchen. Therefore, instead of replacing it entirely, it's always easier to update the look, especially if your cabinets are in excellent shape. Urban modern style kitchen. Excellent for modern city dwellers, modern urban style kitchens are perfect for those with cosmopolitan lifestyles. This style is hip, trendy with industrial influences but less edgy in appeal. This style is usually designed with highly functional accessories and features such as a janitor unit, pantry unit, lofts, warm tones/neutral color palette and patterns that are well coordinated. Modern sleek style kitchen. With minimalist cabinetry, neutral color shades with metallic accents, modern sleek kitchens have subtle charm that never goes out of style. An ideal modern sleek style kitchen blends contemporary design with other styles, including industrial and traditional. This style of design is both modern and sleek but not dull. So if you are picking this style, add a pop of color, whether it's on the furniture, cabinetry, or the backsplash to ensure your kitchen is welcoming enough. These modern kitchens will grace your home with contemporary